Hey, it's Brian with Boilerplate, and I'm going to show you how you can use our software to easily collect and track documentation requests from your vendors. Especially if you're doing a lot of volume, there's a lot of paperwork, tough to keep track of everything. So, starting out within our system, you can create reusable checklists. These can be for different request types as well as different personas, say domestic versus foreign, maybe minority business, small business, whatever that might be. So within these checklists, we can have your standard forms. So domestic vendor onboarding, we'd have the W-9. We get some basic business information, bank information. Their foreign vendor, would be the W-8 BEN. And then you could also have other checklists, like things like a vendor tax exempt form, that you need to get from them, or request for a pricing list, whatever that might be. As soon as somebody comes along, you got to send it to a new vendor very quickly. All you're going to do is add their email address. We'll use one. We're from Philadelphia, so we'll start with Grace Kelly here. She would be a foreign vendor now that she lives in Monaco. And then from here, all you're going to do is you can add and remove requests if you need to. You can pop a due date on there so they know when they need to get it back. It'll trigger gentle little reminders. You can put a custom note in there as well. As soon as you send it to the other person, they get an email with a note that provides a link into the client portal, and I'll show you that in a minute. So as soon as it sends to them, you can then visually track each individual request that was sent to that person, right? So you can see each individual item. Here's one already in progress with Ben Franklin, also Philadelphia person. So you can see here, overall, you can drill down, you can see the checklist. Oh, the W-9 was returned for updates. This form was completed. This is ready for review. So you can track each individual item that was sent to the other party. You also have an opportunity to review it. But let me show you what they see real quick. So a lot of times when you're onboarding a new vendor, there's a lot of back and forth of here's what I need. They forget to send something. They're not sure what you need. You ask for something twice, all those problems. So instead, they're going to click a link. They're going to come into the portal. They're going to see your logo up at the top. They're going to hit a start button that's going to show them exactly what they need to do. So they can go ahead and they can come in here. Here's the W-8 form. It's going to load here, and then they can fill in. They see exactly what they need to fill out. Exactly what they need to fill out. They can sign the documents right in the system. You can, it's e-sign compliant. They can use a type name. They can use their finger. As soon as they're done, it'll block them if they skipped any fields. And then boom, it's that easy. It's done. You can see exactly what they need to do. You can collect files. You can collect images. You can do digital forms as well. These would be similar to what you're used to already, with short answer, long answer, multiple choice, all those things all put together into a digital form. Right there, and then again, they can see everything that you've asked for. They can also upload file requests, and I'll show you what happens on the admin side. So as soon as they've submitted their documentation, you can see on the dashboard that these items have been submitted. They're ready for review. You can look at each individual item that gets submitted, review it, and then if you need to send it back to them for whatever reason, whether they missed fields or it's not the right version of something, whatever it is, you can send that back to them. They'll get an email with a link. It says it's coming from you. Go through everything that's there. They can accept it, reject it, and then everything's tracked. You can notify your teammates, and there's no questions about what's open and closed. What are we still missing from this person? We're ready to get moving. We're ready to do business with them. We need to have all this stuff on file. So it's boilerplate.co, Brian. If you have any questions, want to talk through your scenario, see if we can help, please reach out on our site, and we're happy to set up some time to learn about your business and your processes. Thank you.